trash-free by 2013.
A local group is working to save one of D.C.'s most precious resources. Ahead, what you can do to help.
And first, a live look at All right, this morning we're talking about ways of saving the Potomac. Sky Fox was over the river this morning providing a view of some of the trash and debris that littered the river. It leads us to another recycling question. Which type of consumer goods do Americans commonly recycle the least? The answer, glass containers. Well, folks, admit it, at one point you may have left trash behind. Why do we say that? Not everybody's left trash behind.
You admit it, everybody.
Right. Well, okay. Well,
haven't recycled everything. None of us have.
Right. I don't understand why people leave stuff behind. But maybe you've tossed something out of your car. Yeah. You shouldn't, and you know that, but it does happen sometimes.
Unfortunately, many people don't realize the ramifications of littering that it has on one of our area's most precious resources. Fox 5's Brooke Baldwin is live with a group working to save our precious Potomac River. Brooke.
Good morning, you guys.
Good morning, Bob and Allison.
Good morning, class.
These are my new friends, the sixth graders from St. Elizabeth School in Rockville, and in 1 hour, I am sitting in the middle of this tremendous pile of trash. They found Fix-A-Flat. They found a, what is this, you guys, a plastic water gun. Lawn ornaments, anyone? Not quite Halloween. Part of maybe a baby stroller. Everything here in the orange bag, this is all styrofoam, and everything in the blue bags are things that could have been recycled. Manuela here has been collecting what?
Styrofoam.
And in 1 hour, how many pieces of styrofoam did you pick up on the Potomac?
210.
210 pieces. Ryan over here, pretty good at math. You were tallying up all the different, pieces of trash you guys had collected. Tell me really quickly what you all had collected.
Plastic bottles were 824 pieces. Other plastics were 152. Balls were 128. Styrofoam were 547 pieces. Glass bottles were 48. And the other trash was 210.
So you added all that up. What's the total amount of trash you found?
1,901 pieces of trash.
1,901 pieces of trash in 1 hour. The goal here with the Alice Ferguson Foundation is to one day have a trash-free Potomac. The Potomac River.
It's everywhere.
Pristine, priceless, polluted.
I am sitting out here in the rain to talk about how important this is.
Rain or shine, Anna Wadhams finds all of this trash troubling.
And as you can see around me, we still have work to be done.
She serves as coordinator for the Potomac River Watershed Cleanup, an annual event in its 19th year involving 4 surrounding states plus the District of Columbia. All part of the lands or watershed that drain into the Potomac.
Last year was an extremely successful year. We had over 6,500 volunteers at over 300 sites collect 207 tons of trash.
And in that one cleanup, we can accumulate the kinds of trash that could rebuild homes from the construction debris, could furnish a home with all the appliances, the household goods, the vehicles.
Tracy Bowen is executive director of the Alice Ferguson Foundation, a group dedicated to a trash-free Potomac.
It's not acceptable.
She is pleading for people to participate in the upcoming cleanup, as this river, she says, is an incredible resource for our region.
An economic resource, a recreation resource, and a quality of life resource for all of us. And we feel that it's really time for us to appreciate it and to take better care of it.
Starting with the Potomac River Watershed Cleanup at the end of this month.
For 3 hours of your time, just 3 hours of your time, you can make such a huge difference.
All right, back here live, this is Tracy Bowen. She's the executive director of the Alice Ferguson Foundation. We have a lot going on out here. But we were talking earlier and we were looking at this nasty pile of trash, and you were saying you're mad. Why?
Well, I think you, Brooke, were saying you didn't think we had that much trash this morning. You were in
a quarter of a mile. A quarter of a mile, that's what they collected.
250 feet of property. We were able to collect in 1 hour this much volume of trash, and this is something we can do almost every day at this foundation. Alice Ferguson Foundation has this pristine property that we bring thousands of children to, and this is the trash problem we're contending with. And it's everywhere in the Potomac watershed, not just in the river, but on land. And so we really are working hard to cultivate a movement in this region to address this problem. This is a fixable problem. Over half the volume of trash today could have been recycled.
Okay, real quickly, you're wearing the t-shirt. Let's show it off. Trash Free Potomac Watershed Initiative, the cleanup 2 days. Not this weekend, but the next weekend, March 31st, April 1st, 9 to noon, rain or shine. They want you out here because, again, the goal out here is...
Trash Free Potomac!
Love it. Back to you all.
All right, now get the class. Thank you, Brooke.